Lord, bless this food, bless the hands that are prepared to let it be nourished into our bodies. Lord, thank you for a family dinner, even though some people have taken their time to come up here so we can eat. In Jesus' name, amen.
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 All right.
Wife, mom, life. Wife, mom, life. She's the wife of Jeremy Collins. She's the mother of 5. And they are her life. Wife, mom, life. With Mone't. Lord, bless this food, bless the hands that are prepared to let it be nourished into our bodies. Lord, thank you for a family dinner, even though some people have taken their time to come up here so we can eat. In Jesus' name, amen.
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 All right.
We can eat out.
What the? Why y'all playing with me? Oh, hell yeah.
See? Thank you, Dad, because they all been bashing me because I don't want the cat in the house.
Anybody been bashing? We've been telling you to shut up.
That's bashing.
What did I tell you? I said he gonna say the W word, didn't it?
That's the W.
I meant the H word. You said she couldn't come in unless she had her cage.
And shots.
So I'm picking my dad up from the airport.
Oh.
It is Tuesday, Wednesday morning, the 5th, whatever the 5th is. We know it's January. So of course I couldn't pick him up without getting his Tim Hortons, since he's been down there with them nasty, I ain't gonna say nasty because I just don't like Starbucks. I know he ain't had his official Timmy hose. So I had to hook my daddy up.
I like Starburst.
Hmm?
I like Starburst.
You like Starburst? Boy.
Hey, it's toys.
Yeah, you're my fat daddy. Yay.
I don't see him.
Hi, fat daddy. Hey, you sitting on your stuff. See?
Man, I was telling mommy, I said, I looked out the window and seen all this snow. I said, oh my goodness.
It's not even a lot. Not yet.
Nope.
Listen, Granddad better get here before that storm get
There's
here.
supposed to be a storm coming.
Yep. Me.
Yeah, I see these dark clouds and stuff.
That is the storm.
Okay, I have my daddy back to the house. Trying to practice not saying home. Because unfortunately, this is not his home anymore. Right, Alex? Granddad leaving us, Alex. Yeah. So I have him back to the house. I had to go get him his little coffee and his Timmy's. Yeah.
I don't like Timmy's.
You don't like Timmy's? Oh, so then I mean I can have these. No, you said you don't like Timmy's.
I like Timmy's.
Nah. Alex. So it is 12:18. There is a storm brewing. I need to go this way. Alex, I know you're tired, but I need to stop at Tops to get some meat. Take this stuff back to
Let's go
PetSmart.
to the food store.
We're going to the food store. And I'm going to tell you right now, Alexander, do not ask me for a whole bunch of stuff out of the store. Do you hear me? You bought chips yesterday, and you have donuts today. Got it?
Yeah.
Great.
I don't have no muffins.
You don't need them. Here we go. You see what I'm saying? Here we go. You don't need muffins. You have donuts. We have a winter storm warning this afternoon all the way up until tomorrow evening. It's supposed to be like 10 inches of snow or more. High winds up to 40-50 miles per hour. And the temp is supposed to drop. So I got to hurry up and get home. Not to mention I have to get some gas.
Before the store.
When the husband asked me last night if I had gas, I did have almost a full tank.
But Blake's supposed to be having a shot.
Well, we're gonna keep Blakey outside. She doesn't want to be in the house, so we're just gonna have to protect her.
That's out that meow.
Huh?
She keeps saying meow.
Meow. Yeah, because she wants to be free. She's used to being outside and roaming free.
I think she's a
That's
street.
cute. Their little porch is made into a stair.
I think
seat.
Blakey wanted to be in the street. I think the different cat want to ask Blakey something. Mommy, is that my hot chocolate?
No, I didn't get you any hot chocolate. We have hot chocolate at home. It's Tim Hortons hot chocolate at home. You can have some of that. But when he asked me yesterday if I had a full tank of gas, I did have almost a full tank. But then we were out and about yesterday. Man, I wish I had time to go to Sam's in Niagara Falls so I can get some more salt, but I'm not because that storm is supposed to be coming in within an hour. So with all the driving I did yesterday, I'm almost to a half a tank. So I'm gonna fill that up. The people are still consistent, y'all. They are still out here running at Delaware Park. I wish I had that type of determination. I do. I really do. In my head, I do. It's just not coming out my body. Like, I'm just really feeling unmotivated.
Mommy.
I don't know what it is.
Mommy,
Like,
you still 2.
yes, I'm still 2 years old.
And I'm older than you.
You're older than me?
Because I just get to 4 out of 4. But I don't like still being 4 like you.
You don't like still being 4? Well, you're about to be 5 in March.
March 27.
March 27.
Not March 27th. I just did that already.
Excuse me?
Hey, it's Santa.
Santa.
And he's moving.
Mm-hmm. Because it's windy.
No. It's January.
I really wish I had the motivation. Like, I'm really losing all motivation for, you know, everything. My mind is just at a stand. It's not at a standstill, let me say that. It's the birdie? What color is this bird? I said, what color is it?
Blue.
Blue?
Oh, yeah. I see more. A lot. But don't. Just let them eat. Just let them eat.
Let them eat?
Just let them eat there. That, they can share right there. But they
Oh,
can.
look at their little nest.
They can share right there, and
They're
the
hiding.
birds can do it like by itself.
Oh, yeah? Okay, go ahead. So we're in PetSmart. I had to return the stuff we bought last night for the cat. We have a kitten on our street that we've been taking care of literally since she was an itty bitty baby. But say excuse me, Alex. You have to say excuse me. So we've been taking care of her since she was little itty bitty, and then she started getting. You say thank you.
Thank you.
All right, go ahead and look. Well, the other cats that were on the street have been harassing her and trying to get at her, if you know what I mean. So we were trying to bring her in, go take her to get shots and stuff, and, you know, save her basically from the predators. But she wasn't I mean, she was fine, but she just kept crying, of course, you know, meowing. And we couldn't let her out because we had to take her to get shots and stuff first. But, you know, it is what it is. We'll just keep taking care of her from outside and pray the best for her. So this one wants to admire. He wants to admire the fish. Ooh, what kind of fish is that?
It's a different one. I don't see no.
It's a red devil.
I don't see no fishes in here.
Come Come out. Come out. Come out.
I didn't.
Come out.
Mommy, knock on this.
No, you don't knock on it. You scare them. You don't do that.
They move.
But you don't do that. You scare them when you do that. That's not
Mommy,
okay.
look it.
Uh-huh.
It's the orange one.
Those are assorted peacock cichlids. We used to have some of those.
The orange one.
Uh-huh.
Why orange one? Mommy, I want a net.
All right, come on. We got to go to Tops. Tell the fishies bye.
Wait, I want to catch them.
No, you can't catch them. Guys, say hi to Blakey. This is our Blakey. This is a little kitten that we were trying to take in, but she was like, yeah, no. But now she keeps trying to go in the house. Right, Mommy? So long as she has her food. And we got our little hut thing over here for her to go into. So, right? Luckily, the big cats aren't out and around right now because I swear, it's like they know when I put the food out. They're like all the dog own noise. And then he got the salt right here. He puts the salt right at the walkway. Like, really? Okay. It's 4 o'clock. The storm has not hit yet.
Get it.
I need to go and pick up my goddaughter's iPad.
And get her brakes done ASAP. Jesus. Y'all need to tell her, because I keep telling her she don't want to listen to me.
How she get an iPad? I want an iPad. Wait, this is how you play Paw Patrol. Alexa. Yeah, I didn't want an iPad.
You didn't ask for no iPad.
No iPad. We're not talking about you right
And
now.
that's what she
Get
asked for her birthday.
Get out.
Okay, then I get
No, nobody cares about you right
So
now.
I'm gonna run and
No.
get her iPad before the storm comes in. This one can't go with me. You got cut hair.
Why would I go with you? Is it a lady or a guy?
It don't matter. It's a drive.
You need to get your brakes done. I'm scared to be in the car with brakes like that.
Boy, shut up.
I'm for real.
He's so extra.
Especially with the storm coming, you need to be able to brake on time. You can't. You gotta slam your foot down.
He's
Leave it in.
saying I
It's gonna-
need my pedal
It's
tightened.
gonna take. No, you need new brakes.
No, the pedal needs to be tightened.
You
I don't
need
need brakes. They
brake
put new
pads.
brakes on it before I bought the truck.
You need brake pads. That's all I'm gonna guarantee you. Your brake pads is like this slim now. What?
Daddy ain't drove it that much.
Huh?
Daddy ain't drove it that much.
You did. You drive it a lot.
Oh, and I don't drive like D. I don't brake like him.
Like I said, YouTube, she needs new brake pads. Did you get brake pads for free too? Because of the warranty?
I think so.
Hey, must be nice.
I am headed to go pick up the iPad for the goddaughter. I have Tweedlewinkle with me. Since he likes long rides, it makes him feel like he's...
In half a mile, keep left to New York 33 East.
So it's going to take about 45 minutes to get there. Hopefully the storm won't come up until we're on the way back.
I don't mind it.
So, yeah. Let's go for a ride. I don't know if you really can tell, but those clouds are moving real fast. Real fast. You have this sky right here, and then go around in a circle, and you got all that. Wow. Amazing. Okay, got the iPad and we are headed back to the house. Anthony got him some burnt Tim Hortons.
But not mine.
That stuff smells burnt. It stinks.
It's Chipotle sauce.
The Chipotle sauce stinks. Headed back home. The storm seemed like it wants to start coming on in. I'm going to take it on in. The wind is coming. You can feel it blowing. Yeah, but you can really feel it now. The difference. So, time to take my butt home.
We're about to head into the storm.
We're about to ride into the storm. It is Thursday. School is closed. Snow day. We're in the middle of a winter storm, per se. Even though if you've been in Buffalo all your life, you know what you're doing. Y'all know I picked my dad up yesterday. Told my dad the storm was coming to make sure he went to the store yesterday before it came. He said, okay. So he's supposed to went. He goes and get the rabbit some food, and they get him the talking about he about to Blue trying to come back outside. I just took him outside. He was acting like a sled dog. Then he about to go outside and shovel his way out. Like, no, you're not. What?
You got somebody with a leaf blower?
We got one in the garage.
Why don't you just blow the snow all over the place?
Or I got my 3 muscle men that can just do it.
No.
Hey, no. Get that stuff out that truck so I can go.
Him on the top?
Yeah. My grandson trying to go back outside. Yeah, so he goes to get food for the rabbit, then get stuff himself. I'm like, Dad, are you kidding me? So he's like, I'm about to go out here and do it now. No, you're not. No, you are not.
Blakey did this. Nope. And then she went back.
So look at Blakey, y'all. Now she want to come in the house. She's scared to come outside in the snow. It's actually too much for her to come outside in the snow yet. But she is crying up a storm. She can't eat it like that. Look at her. She want to come out so bad. Blakey, get your tail.
You want to get her pot?
Get her pot, yes. Gotta put the car in 4-wheel drive. So out here in these snow streets, going to get my daddy. Kaylee got a hair appointment at 3 o'clock. And then I got to take my dad back to the airport to go pick up a package. So when I thought I was going to have a day to actually sleep in and do absolutely nothing, it didn't work that way. My phone was ringing off the hook. Everybody was calling, texting. I'm like, come on. I'm going to start putting my phone on Do Not Disturb. Even though I hate doing that because it could be an important. Mommy, can you come here, please? So, I'm like, come on. So, of course, I can't have my daddy out here in these streets by himself. He's too old and fragile for that. He hates when I say that. That's my boy. It's my boy. All right, back to this mess. Like, dude, are you really gonna just drive this slow? This gotta be an old person in this car. And I can't even chance going around it because the snow is blowing like it's blowing. Like we're literally driving 5 miles per hour. No lie. Okay, it is 3:33. I have taken my father to the store, to Walmart, took him to Tim Hortons to get his coffee and his bagel and his muffin. Took Anita to Starbucks to get her medicine ball because her sinuses are starting to act up. Taking my father home. I went home to drop Anita and the stuff off that we got from Walmart. Took the majority of Kaylee's hair down. Just dropped Kaylee off so she can get her hair done. I just walked out of Lowe's because I need to get an extra key, a spare key for Jermaine's car, but it has a chip in it. So I have to take his car to get the spare key. So I'll have to do that another time because his car is behind Kevin's car. We have not gotten the old truck removed out of the driveway yet. I got some information for people who come and remove cars, buy junk cars, so they can remove it out of the driveway so we can use both spots. We're looking to expand the driveway all the way out instead of having to veer over. But of course, we'll have to wait until winter is done in order to do that. So it's 3:35. As I said earlier, I have to take my father to the airport about 5-ish. So I'm going to stop and get me some Denny's. Or should I go to Olive Garden? I'm going to stop and get me some Denny's, and then I'll grab Kaylee some McDonald's so she can eat while she's getting her hair done, even though she's just getting French braids. So she actually might be done. Woo! Excuse me. By the time I get done. So grab her something to eat and then go pick my dad up. I just don't want to have to do all this back and forth, back and forth. There's no one in here. There's one other guest. That's all I like it. So I get my food and go.
Hello.
Hi, how are
How's it
you?
going today?
Good.
I'm Josh. I'll be helping you out.
Okay.
Can I get you a drink first?
I already know what I want.
Oh, let's do it.
Can I get a hot chocolate, no whipped cream?
Sure.
Can I get the T-bone steak breakfast?
Sure.
I want it with no seasoning, no. The original way they used to do it.
Okay.
I want it well done.
Sure.
Scrambled eggs, no hash brown. Can I have an egg instead?
Yeah, sure.
And then for the toast, I want pancakes instead with extra butter.
Okay. Yeah, I'll get that for you.
Thank you. Yeah, like there's nobody in here. There's some couple over here, and I think there's somebody on the other side. So I'll get my food, get in and get out. Got to get some more gloves today because that Anita lost my other pair. And I actually bought gloves again for everybody in the house. I always try and buy gloves just for the winter, especially for Jermaine and the boys. So when they're removing the snow, they have gloves. You know, I got to keep their hands and stuff warm. And I try and keep everything in a bin or a bag. And I guarantee you they're in Kaylee's room, in her closet. We just didn't have time to go through them because I wanted to make sure I got out in time to get my father to the store. So today is Thursday. Terry's baby shower is Friday, 2 o'clock. So excited about that. Hopefully, you know, this weather dies down. It's only supposed to last until today. And then, of course, we'll have the snow residue, but no one's worried about that. But she's out in the south town, so just want to make sure she's good to come back into the city, even though it's like near downtown west side area. So hopefully everything works out well. We can do her baby shower and get her started off, you know, going well. We shall see. I'm so sleepy, y'all. I really wanted to just sleep all day today. I was so excited to hear snow day. Like, no getting up, no waking kids up for virtual learning, you know. Even though Kaylee and Anita have been on virtual learning all week because they don't have any staff. Everybody's out sick. Like, how are you guys dealing with the whole schooling, COVID, virtual learning, you know, sending your kids into school? How are you guys dealing with it? I would love to hear. Make sure you let me know in the comments. It's been a headache. Like, at this point, just close school down. I mean, last year, y'all should have figured moving forward, everybody needed to have some type of device because this is going to end up happening because COVID is not going anywhere anytime soon. This is what we're dealing with at least for the next year or two. And it is what it is, especially because different variants keep coming out. So, you know, we have to learn to deal with it and live with it. But at the same time, we got to do what makes sense. Like, come on. There is no right or wrong answer, honestly, at this point.
Perfect. Bacon burger. And would you like that with the wavy fries or the
I'm about done. So we are getting hit with some more snow. Most spots here in Western New York that would get hit with snow did not. They missed it. But it's coming back. So we're not done. They canceled a lot of flights. A lot of flights didn't even come into Buffalo. So I don't think my dad's stuff is going to make it. So I'm about to call my sister now to see if he's going to come in. I don't want to take him out the house again if he's not going. And I know I always talk like my father is old and brittle, but he's not. He's older. However, that's my daddy. And if I don't have to have my daddy out here in this cold and snow, I'm not going to let him. Okay, so all the flights coming into Buffalo have been canceled. So Daddy can't get his bag, which has his medicine in it. As of now, the 8 o'clock flight is still going out. So hopefully they put the bag on that flight and it comes in to be about 10 o'clock. Yeah. Oh my God. Y'all see that? I'm throwing stuff out the window. I'm tired, y'all. I done passed the doggone shop. I need a nap. Now I got to go all the way up and around. Normally I'll just bust a Yui in the middle of the street, but around. The weather conditions doesn't cause for that, and there's people behind me. So I'm gonna drive like I got some sense on today. I hate that when I'm recording on the phone, it really doesn't give you a full view of what it looks like, because it's actually darker than what the phone is portraying, and it's actually a lot more snow than what it looks like on the phone. About to be 5 o'clock. I think I'm just gonna go to my daddy's house and go sit on the couch and go take me a nap until she's ready. Or I'm just gonna sit out here. We just gonna sit out here. Yep. Cause she is tired. And she really don't want to do all this driving. So Kaylee's sitting in there with an attitude because she wanted 2 French braids. Literally 2 French braids going back. Girl, no. Because we'll be right back here tomorrow with you needing your hair done. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. So she got an attitude. I don't care. I don't care. God bless you. Doggone kids. I swear. I'm going to take me a nap while my feet get toasted. I got about an hour or so. That's what we about to do. Okay, so we got the baby Kaylee. Turn around, baby Kaylee. Hello. Ew. 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 See, y'all see she just had an attitude, right? Because she couldn't get the 2 braids. Now look at her all smiling and carrying on. Cornball. She act like her daddy. Wanna have an attitude when she can't have her way. That's what I thought. Don't say nothing. Wife.